The maps of the Red Death tell of a disease called the Red Death. The ruler of that country was Prince Prospero. He said the illness was outside the castle, and he didn't want to think about the Red Death. Only let in the most powerful people to the castle to enjoy and be happy. The castle had 7 rooms, blue and orange, a green, a purple and white, a violet, and the most important, the black one, with the red windows and a clock. The Prince Prospero organized a mass with everyone in the castle. The clock was inside the last room, marked every hour, and when was midnight appeared a stranger with that face, who ended the max, turning the Red Death the new ruler of the castle.